Hey guys, thanks so much for watching. I decided I wanted to do something really elegant with these Dollar Tree cylinders that I had purchased. I didn't want to do anything with the bling mesh because I've done that before and some other things that I've tried. So I decided I was going to use these old crystal chandelier drops that I had. So I've linked these two websites here. So if you decide this is something you want to try, you can go on those websites and find them. So without further ado, I'm going to just allow you to watch it. Really quick video, very easy and very elegant. So enjoy, guys. And if you have any questions, leave them down below for me in the comment section. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks so much.